Stay in Business parent company FatPipe Inc. is a global leader in network security and reliability with over 15 years of experience. Stay in Business has worked with thousands of companies with their disaster recovery and business continuity planning. Our platform allows you to create, facilitate and update your disaster recovery plan simply and effectively. Everything is right at your fingertips, and when disaster does strike, you will be able to trigger your disaster recovery plan from anywhere at any time, and you will have the confidence that your business will immediately be on the road to recovery. When a disaster is declared, a disaster summary is immediately generated to give very detailed information on who was notified, what tasks were completed, what locations were affected, and a plethora of other pertinent information. Our platform manages your employee roster to facilitate effective and immediate communication during a disaster. A roll call of all employees and their availability status will be immediately available to designated management. You can instantly see what relationships surround every employee, task, business function, vendor, location, and asset. Going through the tabs below, you can see what tasks have been assigned to them, what business functions that employee performs, what location they are assigned to. Insurance information for each employee is immediately available. You can also see what DRT that employee is on, and any documents that the employee will need access to during a disaster will be instantly made available as well. For almost every tab, you will be able to select staff members and options you wish to apply to your policy. Straight from the Stay in Business interface, you can also assign your location of business, and for each designated location, you will be able to input your service requirements and information for that specific location. Each of these tasks is similar in that you will have instant access to all information needed and all the relationships surrounding that area of business. For your different locations, you will see what employees are assigned to that location, what assets are assigned to that location, all insurance applicable to that location, and what business functions that location serves, and any documents for that location that would need to be accessed during a disaster. Here you will be able to assign team members, where you will be able to select the staff member you desire in order to assemble a team that best suits your business's need whenever needed, what tasks they are to perform, and any documents that you may want your established team members to keep handy. Next is the Insurance menu, where you'll be able to select the policy name, type, and the companies behind the insurance providers. You will be able to assign a location, the employees behind the operations, the necessary assets for the job, business functions, and any documents you may want to provide to these companies. And lastly, on the Task menu, you will be able to oversee the tasks that you have assigned, and that will be performed by the various selected staff members. And you will be able to see the employees you have selected and their contact information, the team members, vendors, vendor groups, assets, asset groups, business functions, test groups, and documents. As you can see, the Stay in Business cloud-based business continuity solution is far superior to traditional paper-based ones. It is simple to set up, easy to keep updated, creates effective communication, as well as efficient task communications. All of your employee, vendor, and client information is right at your fingertips, so you can automatically notify whoever is needed to your current point in recovery. To conclude this summary of the Stay in Business platform interface are the DR Planning tab and the Disaster Declaration tab. In the DR Plan section is where you can create the DR plan itself. You simply input the plan statement, assign any teams that apply to that plan, and upload any critical documents that may apply. And lastly, when a disaster does occur, you simply go to the Declarations Disaster section, where you can input the disaster information and then go through each section, marking which locations and business functions were affected. You're also immediately able to notify which employees and vendors are needed to get your business back in working status. Stay in Business, always there, always ready when you need us.